आज मनाए इस जग को खुशियों का मन, सबके होठों पे मुस्कान।
हाँ जी, हेलो हेलो हेलो।
हेलो 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 हेलो।
भोला भाला सीधा सादा था, मैं तो नादान था। दुनियादारी से होशियारी से मैं तो अनजान।
हाँ भैया माइक माइक डन डन क्लोज है या जगदीश भैया जगदीश जगदीश
Times who have just passed out the previous year, we extend a very beautiful welcome to the alumni. We extend a very cordial welcome to all you parents out there, all the guardians who have literally called off all their important meetings, all their important assignments to make it to this beautiful extravaganza this moment. For this time being, till the chief guest arrives, let's enjoy some music on the campus. I would request the audio cell to please play some beautiful symphony.
जीवन के हर पल में सदा तुम साथ दो प्रभु मेरे, इस दुनिया में सच्चाई की आवाज दो प्रभु तेरी। जीवन के हर पल में सदा तुम साथ दो प्रभु मेरे, इस दुनिया में सच्चाई की आवाज दो प्रभु तेरी।
सोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय, सोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय, सोमा गमय।
Ali Khan ji, alumnus and MLA, Thana Bhavan, Shri Umar Ali Khan, alumnus, Behat, Shri Haji Fazul Rahman ji, Shri Raghav Lakhanpal Sharma ji, former MP Sahanpur, Shri Sanjay Garg, former State Minister, Government of UP, Shri Ramesh Yadav, Additional Commissioner, Shri Bhanu Pratap, Additional Commissioner, Shri R.S.K. Suman, Joint Director of Education, Shri Arvind Kumar Pathak, DIS, Ma'am Komal, BSA, our esteemed guests, Sudhir Joshi ji, Shri Surendra Chauhan ji, Dr. Divya Jain, Janab Nawaz Bandi Sahab ji, Shri Ravinder Miglani ji, Dr. Praveen Kumar, Dr. Kamal Jeet, alumnus, Dr. Prashant Khanna, alumnus, Dr. Diljit Singh, alumnus, Acharya Sarveshwar Nath Prabhakar, Kaji Nadeem Akhtar ji, Shri Sujasveer Singh ji, Dr. Nidin, Dr. Ambus Sharma, Shri Manish Sharma, Shri Pranav Agarwal, Shri Vineet Toma, Shri Rajesh Kumar Jain, Reverend Fathers, brothers, sisters, esteemed principals and managers of various prestigious institutions, our press fraternity, various event coordinators, technical team, office staff, supporting staff, dear teachers, former teachers, beloved parents, cherished alumni, and my dear students, our ever-energetic students, a warm, joyous, and grace-filled welcome to each one of you. Look around you. Every face here reflects a story of 60 splendid years of faith planted, love nurtured, and light passed on from one generation to another. Tonight, as we celebrate our Diamond Jubilee, dark time, we honor a legacy that began with a mission, the vision of Reverend Father Amadeus OFM Capuchin, whose hands toiled and whose heart prayed this academy into being under the paternal guidance of Bishop Joseph B. Evangelisti. They believed that education was not just about the mind, but also about the soul, not merely about achievements, but about awakening. And awakening we did. Over the years, St. Mary's has become a lighthouse guiding thousands of
previous principals and managers who've been to this academy. Ladies and gentlemen, before we start off with the felicitations, I take this opportunity to accord a very special welcome to one of the most dynamic MLAs city Saharanpur has seen. And he is our dynamic MLA, Shri Rajiv Gumbar. I would want sir to please stand once at your place. A huge round of applause for this towering personality. Ladies and gentlemen, we now finally are up to the moment when we would be felicitating the heart of St. Mary's Academy, the breath of St. Mary's Academy, the pulsating emotion of St. Mary's Academy, who is in the frame of the chief guest today, Brigadier Faraz Iqbal. We take this opportunity to invite the chief guest to this Diamond Jubilee Extravaganza, Brigadier Faraz Iqbal, with his beautiful wife, Mrs. Faraz Iqbal, to please grace the stage. I would request Reverend Father Manager, Reverend Father John Chimman, the Principal Reverend Sister Sheila, to please accompany. May I request all the parents, आज आपका बच्चा जो सेंट मैरीज एकेडमी में पढ़ रहा है, वो कल इतिहास ऐसा बनाएगा जैसा ब्रिगेडियर फराज इकबाल ने बनाया है, जो आज से 30 साल पहले इसी एकेडमी में यहीं हमारी आपके बच्चों की तरह यहीं पढ़े हैं। We welcome you, ma'am. We welcome you, sir. May I invite upon ladies and gentlemen, please click these pictures from the camera of your hearts to cherish forever. I would invite the student contingents to please come forward so that the felicitations may begin. Please come forward. May I request the manager of St. Mary's Academy, Reverend Father John Chimmen, to please extend the floral welcome to the dynamic superhero Brigadier Faraz Iqbal. Please put your hands together. Let your claps be louder than my words. May I request Reverend Sister Sheila, the principal, to please extend the floral welcome to the lady, Mrs. Faraz Iqbal. Mrs. Gul Iqbal, behind the success of any gentleman, it's always the wife, it's always the lady. So behind the success of Brigadier Faraz Iqbal is the steel woman, Mrs. Gul Iqbal. Please come forward with the shawls. We request Reverend Father John Chimmen to please adorn the proud shoulders of Brigadier Faraz Iqbal with this honor. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. May we request Reverend Sister Sheila to please extend the token of honor to Mrs. Gul Iqbal and to also accord a very special welcome by adorning the proud shoulders of the steel woman, Mrs. Gul Iqbal. Please put your hands together. ये हमारे देश के फौजी हैं. ये हमारे देश की सुरक्षा का वो परचम, प्रकांड, आप समझ लीजिए पावर हैं, जिनके लिए यदि हम ताली नहीं बजाएंगे तो कौन बजाएगा. एक बार क्राउड से अनुरोध कि भारत माता के इस वीर सपूत के लिए गर्जनाहट के साथ तालियां. Please put your hands together. He has submitted his life so that we live with freedom and confidence. 3 cheers for Brigadier Faraz Iqbal. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Ladies and gentlemen, we are very honored that Brigadier Faraz Iqbal has consented to be on the stage throughout these felicitations in the honor of the other dignitaries. A huge round of applause for him. Very cordially, and with imbued heart, we invite the head of our institution, who happens to be the presiding guest today, Right Reverend Bhaskar Jesu Raj, who is also a Bishop of Meerut Diocese. We are literally touched by the gracious spiritual presence of His Lordship, who has come all the way from Meerut to bless all of us. Please put your hands together for Right Reverend Bhaskar Jesu Raj, Bishop of Meerut Diocese. May I request the escorts to come forward. May we request the manager, Reverend Father John Chimmen, to please extend the floral welcome to the presiding guest, Right Reverend Bhaskar Jesu Raj, Bishop of Meerut Diocese. Thank you so much, His Lordship, for all the special blessings that we received in the morning and consistently receiving this moment as well. From the moments we started off with the celebrations in the morning. May we request Reverend Sister Sheila to please come forward. And please, may we request Sister Sheila to please come forward, the principal, and extend the token of honor to the Bishop of Meerut Diocese, Right Reverend Bhaskar Jesu Raj. May we Ladies and gentlemen, now we invite on stage Shri Ashish Tiwari IPS. We know the captain of our Saharanpur said that already he's occupied with so many, commitments and assignments. If he makes in the program, we will do the felicitations further. May we invite Shri Sipu Giriji, IAS, Municipal Commissioner, Nagar Nigam, the youngest IAS officer, I believe, on the soil of Saharanpur this moment. Please put your hands together for the dynamic officer, the fantastic, handsome officer, Shri Sipugiri IAS, Municipal Commissioner, Nagar Nigam, Saharanpur. The escorts to please come forward. The escorts to please come forward. We deliberately are walking slowly because we want this Diamond Jubilee festivity to continue for the whole night. We request Father John Chiman, the manager, to extend the floral welcome. With beautiful smiles, the exchange of the bouquet looks so beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, now we request the principal of the academy, Reverend Sister Sheila, to come forward. Sister Sheila to come forward. And adorn the proud shoulders of Sipugiri IAS, Municipal Commissioner Nagar Nigam, the handsome officer with the handsome work, because handsome is he who handsome does, and he's not only handsome in his looks, but also his kind actions. Thank you, sir, for being with us this moment. We are so obliged. We now request one of the most phenomenal, I must say, the most scintillating of the figures ever the country has seen. Brigadier Mahip Singh Tomar, retired alumnus of the academy, to please grace the podium along with your beautiful wife. May I request Brigadier Mahip Singh Tomar along with Mrs. Mahip Singh Tomar to please grace the podium. I would like you both to walk together. Please put your hands together as the dynamic officer, Brigadier Mahip Singh Tomar, climbs the stage with the steel woman, Mrs. Tomar. Let me tell you, Brigadier Mahip Singh Tomar is instrumental into getting Brigadier Faraz in uniform to this campus. Otherwise, he would have been with us in just casuals. It's owing to Brigadier Mahip Singh Tomar. We request the escorts to please come forward. Escorts to come forward. We request the manager of St. Mary's Academy, Reverend Father John Chiman, to please adorn the proud shoulders of Brigadier Mahip Singh Tomar. The medals define his valor and power and courage. His medals define him. Ladies and gentlemen, here he gets felicitated. We request Reverend Sister Sheila to please extend the token of honor to Brigadier Mahip Singh Tomar. May we request Mrs. Mahip Singh Tomar to please come forward. Mrs. Koshambi Tomar, who happens to work in Convent of Jesus and Mary as a senior faculty Ambala. She joins this ceremony with the husband Mahip Singh Tomar ji. We request Sister Principal to also extend the beautiful gift for the children of Brigadier Mahip Singh Tomar and Mrs. Koshambi Tomar. We request Reverend Sister Sheila to please extend the token for the children of Brigadier Mahip Singh Tomar and Mrs. Koshambi Tomar. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. जो शाख से गिर जाएं, वो पत्ते नहीं हैं हम. जो शाख से गिर जाएं, वो पत्ते नहीं हैं हम. आंधियों औकात में रहो, इस जज्बे के साथ इंडियन आर्मी वर्क करती है. May we request you to continue to be on the stage if you permit us, because everybody is getting so energized with your powerful presence here today. Thank you. And if you feel little low on any strength, so you let us know. We'll get the chair up. Ladies and gentlemen, we take this opportunity to invite one of the most important, significant, extremely powerful personality of India. Ladies and gentlemen, you all know of BrahMos Aerospace. Right from the beginning of this very important assignment for India, it is Colonel Anil Mishra, who happens to be the former Director of Infrastructure and Technical Processing, BrahMos Aerospace. He's the one who from the founding days of BrahMos in India has been the founding director, I must say, the founding director of BrahMos Aerospace, because of which we are most powerful in the world. May we invite Colonel Anil Mishra with his steeled wife. I'm using the metaphor steeled. It's not a transferred epithet, but I want to take it as a metaphor. Mrs. Colonel Anil Mishra, we salute you as you climb up along with Colonel Anil Mishra this moment, the former director of BrahMos Aerospace. That is the power of India, and that power emanated somewhere from St. Mary's Academy as well. May we request the escorts to please come forward. May we request Reverend Father Manager to please extend the shawl, that is the highest honor from the Academy, to adorn his proud shoulders. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. BrahMos Aerospace के हमारे भूतपूर्व डायरेक्टर कर्नल अनिल मिश्रा. आप सोच सकते हैं जब रशियंस के साथ में टाई अप में BrahMos इंडिया में आया है, उस समय से किस प्रकार कर्नल अनिल मिश्रा जी ने किस प्रकार उसको right from its infant stage to its most robust stage तक उसको कितना निखारा है और कितनी उसे ताकत दी है. We are so proud of you, Colonel Anil Mishra. May we request Reverend Sister Principal to extend the token of honor to Colonel Anil Mishra and Mrs. Colonel Anil Mishra. We accord a special welcome to Mrs. Chinmay Anil Mishra. Mrs. Chinmay Anil Mishra is the woman behind the success of this gentleman. Please put your hands together for Colonel Anil Mishra and Mrs. Chinmay Mishra. We now invite on stage Right Reverend John Barakil, the Bishop Emeritus, Diocese of Bishnor. Bishop, may we request you? Okay. May we invite on stage one of the most inspiring souls of St. Mary's Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, when my classroom was even observed, it was our Reverend Valerian Pinto, the Vicar General Diocese of Meerut, who has been to my classrooms also for the inspection. Sir, we salute you, and so happy that we are breathing your power, we are expressing your power, we are expressing your energy, we are expressing your intentions, visions and missions. Thank you so much, the Vicar General of Meerut Diocese, Reverend Father Valerian Pinto. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. The escorts to please come forward. Escorts to run up with the shawl and token. May we request Reverend Father John Chimman, the manager of St. Mary's Academy, to please accord the special welcome to Reverend Father Valerian Pinto. Thank you so much, dear Father, for always standing with us in our every event. Thank you so much, Reverend Father. May I request Reverend Sister Sheila, the principal, to please extend the token of honor to Reverend Father Valerian Pinto, Vicar General, Meerut Diocese. Please put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. We invite on stage Reverend Father Jesu Amirton. Okay, we invite on stage Reverend Father George Colerill, who happens to be the Director of Education Commission, Diocese of Meerut, and also happens to be the former Principal of St. Mary's Academy. Dear Father, we extend a hearty welcome to you. Ladies and gentlemen, listening to Reverend Father from the Marian stage is one of the most inspiring of the sessions what one can have as a student here. May we request Father John Chimman, the manager of the Academy, to please accord the special welcome to Reverend Father Dr. George Colerill, Director of Education Commission, Diocese of Meerut. May we request Reverend Father to please extend the token of honor to Reverend Father George Colerill. The escorts to please take. Apurv, you may come forward to take the honor, to take the gift from Reverend Father George Colerill. Apurv, may we request Reverend Sister Sheila, the principal, to please extend the highest honor from St. Mary's Academy to Reverend Father George Colerill. Dear Marians, ये 60 साल की यात्रा है. Ladies and gentlemen, एक annual function नहीं, तो कुछ तो वक्त लगेगा इस felicitations में. We now invite the distinguished guests. I would go a little quick, and if the guests are here, I request you to please, the head boy and head girl, right be there for the escorting. Shri Kamal Deep Ji, ADJ, FTC Saharanpur, one of the pioneering figures of city Saharanpur, with his wife, to please come up on stage. Shri Kamal Deep Ji, ADJ, Additional Judge, Fast Track Court Saharanpur. We welcome you, dear sir. With Mrs. Kamal Deep, we welcome you, dignitaries. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a beautiful moment as Reverend Father Manager extends the highest honor to Shri Kamal Deep, ADJ, FTC Saharanpur. May we request Reverend Sister Sheila to please extend the principal, to please extend the token of honor to Ma'am Komal Deep. It's a beautiful moment. The high figure representing the judiciary of city Saharanpur is amid us to boost our morale. It's a beautiful moment, ladies and gentlemen. We invite on stage Dr. Ajay Kumar Singh, Mayor Nagar Nigam Saharanpur. Sir, we invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, Shri Bhanu Pratap, Additional Commissioner, Saharanpur. Ladies and gentlemen, owing to elections, there was a very grueling meeting going on today. So probably owing to that, the gentleman couldn't turn up. We request Sir Subodh Kumar, SDM, Sadar Saharanpur, Sir Vyom Bindal, IPS, SP City Saharanpur, Shri Sagar Jain, SP Rural Saharanpur. We know officers are on very tight duties, but we don't want to miss on their names as well as towards bringing them on stage. Shri Santosh Bahadur Singh, ADME Saharanpur, Shri Siddharth Verma, SP Traffic, he's got transferred. Shri Manoj Kumar Yadav, IPS, Shri Kuldeep Singh, City Magistrate. It's in their honor. Spiritually, our vibes are going to them. Now we invite on stage, आपकी शान में जितना भी कहा जाए उतना कम है. Before I invite the MLA of City Saharanpur, Shri Rajiv Gumbar ji, I would like to say, जब से चला हूँ मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है, जब से चला हूँ मेरी मंजिल पे नजर है, आंखों ने मेरी कभी मील का पत्थर नहीं देखा. Put your hands together for the dynamic hero of City Saharanpur, the MLA, Sri Rajiv Gumbar, who casting away all the works have made it to this stage of the Academy. May I request Reverend Father John Chiman to please extend the highest honor to the young gentleman, Sri Rajiv Gumbar, MLA Saharanpur. Please put your hands together. हमारे सहारनपुर की शान, हमारे सहारनपुर की एक बुलंद आवाज जो आज यहाँ एकेडमी में है, हम बहुत गौरवान्वित हैं सर आपका यहाँ आज सामिप्य पाकर. May we request Reverend Sister Sheila to extend the token of honor. May we request another smart political leader, Sri Umar Ali Khan, alumnus, who's MLA Behat, to please grace the Marian stage. आपके सामने सेंट मैरीज एकेडमी के भूतपूर्व छात्र श्री उमर अली खान मंच पर तशरीफ ला रहे हैं. आप सेंट मैरीज एकेडमी में आपने वर्ष 1995 में अपनी 12वीं की परीक्षा पास करी है. The handsome, the debonair, I guarantee, if not political domain, he would have also been in Bollywood, dear ladies and gentlemen. The smart alumnus of St. Mary's Academy, may we request the authorities to please extend the honor to Umar Ali Khan Sahab, who is MLA Behat, and I have seen him. He was 1 year senior to me, ladies and gentlemen. He was 1 year senior to me, and believe me, there's no change in him. The way he was handsome years back, still he is. Umar Ali Khan Sahab. May we request the principal, Reverend Sister Sheila, to please extend the token of honor to Umar Ali Khan, MLA Behat. May we request one of the most beautiful couples and happening political leaders. Before I speak for the MLA of Thana Bhavan, Sri Ashraf Ali Khan, I want to primarily and first and foremost speak for Rama Ashraf Ali Khan, the former chairperson of Thana Bhavan, to please come along with the MLA Ashraf Ali Khan Sahab, the former student of St. Mary's Academy. Both of them, they are alumnus of St. Mary's Academy. आप दोनों पूर्व छात्र और छात्रा हैं St. Mary's Academy की. सेंट मैरीज में पढ़ने के बाद आपने जो थाना भवन में विकास लाया है, उसका कहीं ना कहीं श्रेय सेंट मैरीज एकेडमी को भी जाता है. May we request Reverend Father John Chiman, the manager, to please accord the special welcome and felicitate the dignitary with the highest honor. Janab Ashraf Ali Khan being adorned by the manager of the academy, Reverend Father John Chiman. And the beautiful couple here aggrandizes definitely the entire aesthetic setup of the stage. Thank you so much, Rama Ashraf Ali Khan ji, the former chair.